Hey everyone, it's Tyler the Rustic Nerd Dad here, and this is the fourth and final video for this part of the lightsabers that I got from the Disney store. Um, what's neat actually on this box, and I don't think I noticed it on the others, it could have been there, it actually says lightsaber at the bottom of the box, so these boxes must be designated for lightsabers. But I do know that this one is the Obi Wan Kenobi lightsaber because I shouldn't say no. It better be in here because that's what I ordered. So let's get to it. Again, I'm trying to keep this video 15 minutes or less and honest review. If you haven't watched the other videos already, feel free to watch them and feel free to comment your thoughts below and to like, follow, and subscribe. More bubble wrap. I have got a freaking stack of bubble wrap now. Okay, the one I'm most actually excited for, the Obi Wan Kenobi helmet. So, I got a drop. Sleeve, which is good for protection. Obviously based off of the Kenobi series. That shows the Kenobi hilt lighting the Darth Vader hilt on the back. So, I am working on an Obi Wan Kenobi cosplay. So I've been looking at different options for what I want to use for my cosplay, as well as just collectible purposes as well. And since they had the deal going on and I was able to get this for 25 bucks, I figured why the heck not? Even if I just have my own little lightsaber to play with my kids, now that we have a plentiful amount of lightsabers now, I'll have my own that I'll be able to use in that regard as well, and not have to worry about using a more expensive one for that purpose. Or if I decide to do other videos where I'd, potentially be concerned about damaging a more expensive lightsaber hilt. Now, again, I paid, it was like 24, it was essentially 25 bucks. It was 24 something after the discount. And then because I spent over $100 on the Disney store online, it was free shipping. So I had bought the Ahsoka lightsaber set, the cheap one, for 45 bucks. And that's for my wife's Halloween costume. I also got the Rey, the yellow Rey lightsaber for my daughter. And I also got the Darth Vader hilt, which I will also be showing in this video, for just kind of pure curiosity, because I will be working on a Darth Vader suit as well, and just kind of looking at my options there, although I will eventually get a full metal hilt of the Darth Vader as well. It does appear that Disney has been doing more sales on lightsabers lately, like this weekend of me doing this review. Hopefully you guys can't hear my dogs, and if you can, it's fairly quiet. Disney had done a pretty big sale on lightsabers, the more expensive ones, mind you, that are normally like 250 bucks. They had down, like some of them were down to like 100 and some. It's kind of a bummer for me because I would have gotten the Kenobi set if I had known, but and potentially a couple other things, but I already have spent my play money for the week elsewhere, so that's on me. But there we go. So I got the blade out. The belt clip, so the generic belt clip that comes with most of these lightsabers. So far, the only one that hasn't come with one that I've seen is the Rey hilt, because she's got kind of a hook on that hilt, where other lightsabers like this one and the Darth Vader hilt and the Ahsoka hilts have the Covertech clip. So you just that, slide it down, and then this just goes onto your belt. You can get an official Jedi looking one from Galaxy's Edge, but I'm going to celebrate one thing. I got this lightsaber out without cutting my fingers. The Ahsoka and the Darth Vader packaging, I cut my fingers on. So just as a warning / FYI there. All right, so this has the toggle down here for on, test, and off. So we'll move it down to on. So thankfully that one was easy. Did that silly try me sticker off. Ew. You know what, we'll leave that for now. That's not easy to come off, so I'm going to have to be a little bit more careful about taking that off. We'll do a little look over, some slight, you can kind of see it there, slight miss paint. Corner. There on that corner. Overall looks pretty decent. There's a lot of detail going on for what it is. Again, 25 bucks. Obviously we can't expect like a crazy good collectible, but it's still neat to see what you get for the price. Again, this is normally like 30 bucks. Okay. So with the light on, so that's nice and bright. Boy, that's a lot brighter than the Vader. Okay. Light off, or that one anyway. So that's a lot brighter than I was expecting, so I'm very happy about that. Strong sound effects. Very reactive. Okay. So, again, a far away item or something to just carry around. You know, on a shelf, display, whatever, may not look bad. Obviously, with the thick neck, you can tell it's not exactly screen accurate. It doesn't have the interchangeable neck like the Galaxy's Edge version, but obviously you can tell it's Obi Wan. I'm really impressed, and I'm going to show you guys the difference between, and that just blows me away with how bright that was comparatively to what the Vader's was like. So it's showing up like a little brighter now. I don't know. Before in the previous video, it wasn't that great. But watch. That just blows it out of the water. You know? So, and again, like, let's compare. So that's Obi Wan. We got Rey's here. Pretty comparatively. I mean, of course, you can see. Woo, you can see the LED individual lights. It's not as consistent looking as a more expensive one, but again, $25. What can you expect? You know, um, I am thoroughly impressed and thoroughly happy with this for 25 bucks. I'm not gonna lie, they didn't have the Try Me sticker directly on the Vader hilt, but they've got it freaking right on the hilt. And this is plastic, and it's clearly like a painted plastic. So my concern is that when I go to take this off, no matter what way, shape, or form, it's gonna probably to some degree damage the paint underneath that. I could be wrong, but if that's the case, I might end up weathering the hilt a bit. I mean, it's already got a little bit of dark areas, and I don't know if I want to take the time to do like a full-on repaint, because it's not like segmented where I can just take, you know, all these individual pieces off like some other lightsabers, especially of this design. Um, it's actually like, how can I show you? It's like split because it's a plastic cast piece that's screwed together. Now, again, that being said, still could, I still could just take it completely apart, completely repaint it, make it look nice. I could, sand some of this stuff off. Um, you know, if I wanted to, that kind of detailing there. Um, get rid of like any kind of like stamp stuff on it. But for a $25 item, what's the point? So again, I'm trying to keep this video under 15 minutes. So lastly, I wanted to compare this at 25 bucks to the empty metal hilt I got off of AliExpress for, it was like 50 some bucks. So double the price. So full metal hilt, plastic hilt, empty and no electronics, right? So, you know, detail wise, if you were to look at these, you would both go, oh, that's Obi Wan's lightsaber. Pretty likely, unless you want to get real nitpicky, but at first glance, you would go Obi Wan's. Apologies about that, not quite sure what happened. My phone just automatically turned off there. But, anyways, just to kind of quickly wrap this up, um, metal hilt, 54 bucks, plastic hilt, 25 bucks. This is nice, but I'm going to probably have to put another 20, 30 bucks into this to make it functional with lights and sound. This one has it all: blade, light, sound. Is it perfect? Is it as pretty and shiny? No. But for 25 bucks for it to have light, sound, functioning, play around, Halloween cosplay, kids, really good option. I'm still going to enjoy working on this metal hilt from AliExpress, but this plastic one from Disney is very well worth it. So I'm pretty happy with it overall. So definitely let me know your thoughts. Feel free to ask me questions if there's anything specific you'd like me to go over. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, as lots more Star Wars stuff coming your way. So again, thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you.